Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The usual pre-video marketing spiel here. If you haven't already, please support us by subscribing. It will help us a lot. I've also left affiliate links below which cost you nothing and support me. And also support our car review channel, Talking Talk, for cool motoring content, with links down below as well. Now let's get right into it. So we'll start with an unboxing. The SR350 is a 24-inch Full HD IPS LED monitor. Some quick specs for you: it has a native Full HD resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, 250 CD brightness, 1000:1 contrast ratio, 5 millisecond response time, and a VESA mount system. In the box you will find the monitor stand, detached of course, as well as the power cable and HDMI cable on the surface. Then if you look beneath the foam packaging is the monitor itself tucked away neatly. Now just a quick mention to Samsung. This monitor, along with the other Samsung monitor I reviewed, actually came damaged. Samsung was really quick and really helpful to fix it. They came and picked it up, both the monitors, the two that were damaged, took them back to the warehouse, fixed them, and brought them back to mine. And we're good to go, so appreciate it, Samsung. Now, the stand can be assembled by clicking together the two pieces. You can then tighten the main screw to join the two pieces together, click the stand into the monitor, and then there are two more little screws that you should screw in tightly and you should be good to go. At first glance, the frameless design is super sleek looking and doesn't take too much space on your desk. Except, like the other monitor, the stand does not enable a vertical adjustment. It can tilt a little bit, but if you prefer a movable stand, it might be best to get a monitor arm or a VESA stand. Once set up though, the SR350 looks really quite pleasant and can definitely improve any office setup quite quickly, if easily, and for not too much money. As for inputs, the SR350 has a HDMI port and a D-sub or VGA port. Now, this is a really interesting decision. Of course, it makes the monitor backwards compatible with older systems, but VGA is pretty dated technology and all of the FreeSync and high quality benefits can't really be realized with the analog signal that is VGA. Samsung also offers 3 years limited warranty, which is brilliant for peace of mind. Now, immediately upon using the monitor, you can notice Samsung's vividness in the colors straight away. As an IPS panel, it does preserve the vividness of the colors and make things much more clear, more so than TN monitors, for example. Tones and shades look accurate from multiple angles with reduced color watching thanks to the IPS panel. For watching movies and other high quality content, this monitor does really well, although it isn't a QHD or 4K monitor, but it's still sharp enough for everyday use. There is also AMD Freesync, which helps eliminate screen tears and can be switched on and off with the switch of a button. The SR350 display itself has a 3-sided bezel-less design, making a dual monitor setup pretty seamless. It measures in at 54 centimeters wide by 32 centimeters high, meaning it won't take up an awful lot of space. There's no picture-in-picture option, which makes sense given the smaller size of the display as opposed to the 27-28 inch and above. As for the settings, well, they can be accessed by a pretty easily accessible joystick towards the right of the display. These settings allow you to access options such as brightness, contrast, and so on. It's good to have those options there to allow you to flick through them and change them anytime you want. There's also a game mode, which Samsung says will allow you to get the optimal color settings and image contrast to see scenes vividly and spot enemies hiding in the dark. So game mode basically just helps adjust any compatible game to fill your screen with as much detail as possible. Gaming is also aided by AMD Freesync, which, as we mentioned, reduces image tear and shutter, as well as the 75Hz display. Now, although it isn't a 90, 120 or 144Hz display, it is still noticeably smoother than a standard 60Hz display and helps reduce that annoying ghosting effect. So you can tell the difference between a 60 and a 75, but if you want to go full crazy gamer, you might want to go a little bit higher. The SR350 also has Eyesafer mode and flicker free mode, which helps minimize eye strain for prolonged viewing. If you're wondering about the difference, flicker-free technology essentially is designed to continuously remove tiring and irritating screen flicker, while the eye saving mode helps minimize the blue light. In Eyesafer mode, once you click it, it essentially just makes the screen a much warmer orange color. Particularly if you're doing a lot of reading at nighttime, then Eyesafer mode is a good option. So I think the SR35 is a great monitor to begin gaming with, as well as a monitor that can be used as a home office display, particularly those who spend many hours on the screen. The refresh rate does help things stay much smoother, along with the eye care and FreeSync features. For hardcore video editors, particularly if you're editing 4K videos, you might want to go for a 4K display, definitely, so you can view the content in its full quality. But this is still a great monitor, especially for those working from home who might make use of the higher refresh rate and eye care features staring at a monitor all day, but also those that might want to game for a little bit and stream some content and have that smooth display. So there's my SR35 review. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful to you, and stay tuned for more videos as we review plenty more tech products and everyday home and office products to basically make your purchasing choices easier. So subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.